What up guys, welcome to Ink Studios. Today we're going to look at how to take the panorama image or HDRI image from HDRI Haven and turn it into 360 image that you can use for your background. If you're new to this channel, we discuss mostly Davinci Resolve and VFX. In the edit page, you just make up your Fusion output, or let me just remove this one for now. I'm gonna get it here. Just say Fusion and just drop it there. Then you can go back to your Fusion. Then you have a media out, and then you just come up to media pool, and then you just drag the image, panorama image or HDRI image that we want to turn it into 360-degree image that you can use for your background. And then under that you just shift space, shape, or you can get them from the bar here. So this shape 3D, we're going to use it to take the image from plane to sphere. So let me just take this one and show it in display 1, and then take shape and display it in display 2. So then now I will suggest that you take this, you ramp it up until 100%. You take that one, you ramp it up until 100%. So this is the subdivision, so it makes your cycle smoother. As for the radius, you can also, according to like what you are working with, if it's space, I will suggest that you ramp it up all the way up until 100. And then what we need now is the mesh, 3D mesh. Mesh 3D, and we need the camera so that you can be able to render this out as the camera sees it. So camera, not camera, 3D camera, and then you edit over, and what you need now is your render, 3D renderer, and then you can take this and connect it back there. Now this is what you're going to see on your edit page, and then here is where you can start doing the manipulation. So I will suggest that you shoot a video outside, like with a real camera and camera track. Take that information that you tracked and put it into this one here to make a scene that looks more believable. Because for now what we'll do is just do simple things. I'm just normally using 25 focal length, and this information you can take it from your camera. I will just leave that series at the moment and then come up here. This is where I'm going to rotate my camera. So let's just see what camera sees here. Yes, and then this one I can take it back to 1 now. I no longer want to see that. Okay, so let's just go back here to the camera, and then as I'm moving it, you can see it's also moving in real life there. I can also move like axis, and you see this is how you take a panorama image and make it your background for your film. Then let's play the finished product. We'll rock the And there you have it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.